Hey there everyone, and welcome to our newest video training series, where we are going to show you all about the hottest way to reach maximum exposure for your business. You might have heard that paid advertising is a strategy that you will inevitably have to use if you are serious about reaching more clients for your business. And you might be wary of using it because you have heard that it is a costly and risky marketing strategy. And it is, if you don't do it the right way. Luckily, we have created this video training series to teach you all about how to use a Facebook advertising platform to make the most out of your paid ad campaigns. In this first section of our training, you will learn the concepts surrounding the Facebook ads platform, and we will provide you with information to prove to you how correct you are in learning to use Facebook as your advertising network of choice, including what is Facebook all about, what are Facebook ads, what is retargeting, and what makes Facebook the top retargeting platform? How can your business benefit from Facebook ads? And shocking facts to consider. What is Facebook all about? So let's get started by answering this question. What is Facebook actually all about? Well, Facebook is a social media network designed with straightforward social interaction in mind. What has made Facebook such a popular platform is its ease of use and its wide variety of features and applications. Simply put, Facebook owes a lot of its popularity to its accessibility and how entertaining it is to use. The main focus of the Facebook platform is in allowing its users to create online social profiles that they can populate with personal info and that they can use to get in touch with others. This is possible because Facebook users can connect with one another by adding friends to the social network. The platform's popularity, combined with its accessibility, has made it the perfect platform to locate old friends at a distance and to meet new people. People can also use Facebook to play games, to chat with their Facebook friends, and to share video content, all without leaving the site. Facebook users can also create and share photo albums, comment on other people's profiles, and create Facebook groups, which families and groups of friends use to share content privately. Facebook is also an attractive platform for businesses because it offers companies, organizations, and businesses across all industries to reach an audience of almost 2 billion active users a month. The very social nature of the Facebook platform makes it the perfect channel for any business to reach and engage with a qualified pool of potential clients. Businesses can create their own Facebook profiles in the form of Facebook pages. Facebook pages are designed to allow businesses, companies, brands, organizations, artists, and the like to upload content to the platform the same way that any regular user would. But there's more. Facebook pages allow businesses to promote and market their products and services through Facebook's own advertising platform. Want to learn more? Tune in for the following video.